So I typically go to YouTube to figure out how to do stuff, how to make a certain cut, you name it. I've even checked out YouTube for my automotive needs and for some plumbing needs. Even I've changed a disposal unit myself, but I just noticed that I couldn't really find a specific video that showed me how to replace the miter saw or the actual blade to my miter saw for my Hitachi. It's a 12-inch miter saw. So I figure, hey, what the heck, I'll just do a video. Hopefully if it helps one person, I think I've accomplished that much. So with that, let's get to it. I'm changing out this blade because I've had this miter saw for a couple years now, well over a couple years I want to say, and the blade is practically worn out. I think it's seen its last days. Lately my cuts have had a lot of chip out, and it's really a pain in the butt to actually just see that as you're cutting, especially some of the finer woods. So what I've done is I've gone ahead and purchased a 12-inch 80-tooth blade. There it is. See, zoom in on that real quick. Yeah. So let's go ahead and change it. First, let's see here. You'll need to take out a couple screws so you can access the nut inside there. Don't lose the screws. It's only a couple of them, so let's go ahead and remove that. Oh, maybe we'll only have to remove the entire screw. I think you can leave it there. Next, take your wrench and see how it spins freely. There's a lock button on this side, on the right side of the blade, that you want to hold down and press it as you loosen up the nut. That's the only way that you're going to be able to do it. So I'll show you the button I'm talking about, which is right over here somewhere, right there. There's a button that you push. As you're spinning it, you'll see it locks in place. There it is. It's not going anywhere. So as you push that button, go ahead and loosen up the other side. I'll let it go so you can see from the other side a little better. Okay. Just so this blade guard doesn't get in the way, let's go ahead and secure it with this simple string. You could use anything you like. I'm using this string I just found in my shop here. There you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and to be honest, I'm not sure if it's lefty-loosey or righty-tighty on this, given the spin of the blade. Oh, there it is. I'm just locking it down in place so it doesn't keep moving around on me. Let me aim this. There you go. Alright. So let's go ahead. Oh, guess you do have to take it out. Just like that. I lose it. Put this off to the side. Push my button. There it is. Okay, and just like that, it's loose. Go and take out the. It's actually a bolt. By the way, yes, I've unplugged the saw for safety reasons, obviously. Take out the washer. Looks like that should be it. Should pop out. Let's bring it back up. Oh wow, what the heck? Okay, as you can see, you zoom in on these. You can see pretty worn out there. Anyway, old blade, 40 tooth versus the new and improved 80-inch tooth that we can focus. There you go. Alright, let's go ahead and open this one. My trusty knife here. Okay, let's focus that back into place. In a second, while I cut this, just like that. Oh, shiny. It's out. Right? Again, it's an 80 tooth blade, so this should give us nice clean cuts, if you will. Just pop it back into place the same way you took out the other blade. You can bring it back down, lock it in place. Sorry, Mama. Not sure why it's not locking. Oh, okay. Aha. There it is. Okay. So you're going to take your washer again. Pop it back in place. There's a little groove so it only goes in one way. See that? Locks in place. Take your nut, or your bolt I should say. Pop it back in. Oh, it's the other way. This time I'm going forward. Take your ratchet. Don't forget to lock in your blade. Is nice and tight. That's it. Then bring it back up a little bit. Put your plate back on. Good old Hitachi. Take your screw, pop it in place. Good. We'll tighten it down in a second. There we go. It's in place. Go ahead and tighten down both screws now. By the way, I'm not using a microphone on this camera. It's a Canon. It's an older Canon. I bought a microphone, but guess what? This camera doesn't accept any microphones. It doesn't have an input for a microphone, so hopefully this recording has or you're able to hear my voice in this recording. And just like that, my fresh blade is in. My 80 tooth blade. This blade is laser cut, and I'll show you a quick test cut to see how clean the cut is. Just take a random piece of wood here. First of all, I gotta plug it back in. Give me a quick second. Okay. All we're gonna do, that's it. Put it up against my fence. Make a quick cut. By the way, this one comes with the laser. Pretty neat, right? Oh, you can't really see the laser, but trust me, it's there. Anywho, so let's go ahead and cut. Not only did that feel like butter, but it went right through it like nothing. And this is, trust me, that is not really a chip out. It's a pretty clean cut. And this is just some regular old Douglas fir. I'm assuming the cuts will be a lot nicer with the walnut and all the other nicer woods I'm going to be working with. So thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up or subscribe or whatever else you crazy kids are doing nowadays. Thanks.